Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on your Huawei Nova Y91. So in this phone we don't have any Google Lens or just Google services, so I'm gonna show you the other method. Open your web browser and go to the google.com. Now very important step, switch your web browser to the desktop side. Now tap on the small camera icon on the search bar and choose upload a file. Allow permissions to camera and to the files. Now you can take the photo or just pick something from your saved pictures. So give me a second, I will take the photo. Okay, now click on the accept icon and whole process starting automatically, and now we are looking for similar or the same image in the picture database. That's it, thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe with a comment, and goodbye.